Hello everyone, here in this video we'll discuss how to download and install Netflix on Chromebook. So with that being said, let's get started. If your Chromebook support Google Play Store, then you can install the Android version of Netflix application. If you don't have Google Play Store enabled on your Chromebook, then I already have a video on how you can enable Google Play Store support on a Chromebook. So I'll provide the video link in the I button or you will get the video link in the description box. Now open Google Play Store and here on the search option, search for Netflix. And here click on install button and wait for the installation process to complete. Once the installation has been completed, you can simply click on open button or else you can also open Netflix application from the app launcher. For that, click on app launcher icon. Here you will find here Netflix application. Simply click on it. Now to use Netflix on your Chromebook, simply log into your Netflix account, select your profile. Now you are ready to use Netflix application on your Chromebook. You will get all the features that are available on Android version of Netflix application. Like you can download your favorite movies on your Chromebook to watch it offline. Let me show you how. For that, simply select the movie or show you want to download. Here you will find download option. Simply click on download and wait for the download process to complete. So that's it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe the channel for more videos like this. Bye for now. See you next video.